is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. And is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Yo, my friend mukbal madapanami avale ke mile de kaw makapli mile bo imbati bifwe ndi wona ji Tony Magboy akbada na mi be mi khoji gbori na mi hechia abo imbati bibe enye TV ke poga yo la indisia ndi yo agbapo wona jagome badongwa kuhire kava rogava garatam na mi hena bo muga harma be yak mauta mi wodoro enye ple honorable Bruno Folly et les Miabondi, honorable Wezon.
Après, ma commande pour à Doubena, Avenimba TV, Bolao, Sela Okata, Miawele Dondi.
Marie.
Et Yama Gava Demia Jiva, and you rest as an Amia Magidi. Yake, with that Pelama over Miega Trova. Ma commande pour Adak, Pen, et ma dog Abendito Hena. Nyatobo bunato edem Richmond Kofi Anani Botosu ameke nyeto sota papa me ilade hotiti na metianu to amanu madogba na hotiti na metianu to ama NDC bon blanc katan yawele doji yawele mi ale blo be mi ape besiangbe dunaya ha ameyu ya purude mi anua wala ababaja le mi wala bebe akeni matawu ya ni medogba na regional minister Apeto James Gunu brava do hati ukata madogbe to hana mi apa MC ikenye apeto Steven Adom do polele ke okole mia unjom le amugana to amepla Ghana godula enye mi
Kare au mi apa motivational segment apnya gara nya jojo toto yo ke je ko mi apa to mafia ke mi no adu no machonya odura kwa mambo apre mi achile ndede mo preto be somebody according to you. Who me now a slide so cover him and really now that okay that afimia asorangwa mia ako do ya my name my nyaba na ya
Ago. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. Para kwela mlomo, keke tupoi. Hatanya tuma traditoi. Mfonye womusa kula kela.
Oh.
Nengma fafam. Nema katanga tumu. Kama nochi ko. Wabro.
Dari nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tipanya gbogbo ya wa. Base hasbena didila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya no kura wa. Voilà, parti que konye ya koko katara gbe.
Bon. Moi non ti ko ku no e plolo.
Va vai batakalo sugo. Itabi ga da de secrement tonto. Voilà parti que wa busielo weto sera.
Mo yire vola to gbo. Ye mo no chika ko. Mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no plan. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nozi.
Nyapa toto wala toto fita itanye za vola chika nya tuma toro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
this Vola piki Vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona wala masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mala akblawu wo jango St Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la apoi kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wo jango local rice jola atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
Vola
Nina nemiayi Vola eba senta Afima mia pota yola Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Akloli le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Echite padaka Ufuto makata Mele tomo nidewa Eti maklo no ba Na ile Vola eba senta Ikele jengo apla Victoria Baka Afima na kodo Wotu akame Wakuto Wofukame Wofukame tutu dokada Vola heba senda Dr. Prosper Debeneba Akodo Come on Vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hokwa wi afo
Ago. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very ma. Para kwela mlomo, keke tu poi. Hatanya tuma traditoy. Ubonye woms kala.
Oh.
Nengma fam. Nema katang matumu. Ma no chiko. Wobro.
Dari nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tipanya gbogbo ya wa. Base hasbena didile no namfia. Koko ina duna fo gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wontam nya nkura mu a. Bola pati ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bo. Ma no chiko ku no e plolo.
Va vai batakalo sugo. Itabi ga da de secrement tonto. Bola pati ke wa busielo weto sera.
Mo yire vola to gbo. Ye mo no chika ko. Mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no plan. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nozi.
nyapa toto wala toto fita itanye za vola chika nya tuma
Yo, akbar mi dakpane Vola heba klito udema penami bongo premianchi lega icho wonaomi. Yo mia aku nya jujo malo yo ke ele mia gora kata ai me yuta nya gre nya jujo. Right, manhunt launch for OEB missing person suspect. Fact check: Christian Hawk didn't carry Ghana's flag to space. Motorbike crash at Angokoshi Junction. 2 men as ahead. That Kafishipi, Kafishipi, and Yamaka Warwick Moto Locho, Angokoshi Junction, or way Trafalgar Emergency, amolaoede.com. XCID chief sues over defamatory comments, Lafia, then placed gun down 2 armed robbers in an exchange. So, topics are oed.com. But we have fact check here, just a quick one, Honorable Lafia. Big post statement at Jubilee House. Ik nye dadaro abuta o ne non via Christian Koki kaide jingoli o Chogana pa flag da shi kwa fuma pleto Bikata mi ho nyamajishe makhle nyai kecho John Dramani Mama verified Facebook handle. But from the lecture halls of Legon to the Moon, celebrating Christina Koch, I joined the University of Ghana, and the entire nation is celebrating NASA astronaut Christina Koch. Me check me I think from yesterday, yeah. So you put it up for me. I joined the University of Ghana, and the entire nation is celebrating NASA astronaut Christina Koch on her historic membership of the Artemis 2 mission. It is a point of immense pride to learn that Christina, the only woman on this pioneering lunar mission, was once an exchange student at our own University of Ghana during 1999 to 2000 academic year. So that's the first thing I want to corporal John Dramani Mama by Bogotana Christina Koch by Jingle Nevano Jimji Hercho Ghana flag called the picture. Nyanyi nyaruma mijojo. Miapa nkola de karen kwenye elikando mechecha ma AI. Kaka nyimete hujiso wala batu koplola top verified handler. That bene nyombi ya over Ghana 1999 to 2000 more with the University of Ghana as an exchange student. We would have from the fear. Chu ma blodo ma blada tamane Ghana. Chu me flag about that region. And her time at Legon was not just a passing visit. She truly immersed herself in our culture and heritage by studying the history of Ghana, the history of Africa, and on and on and on. Okay, fact check yesterday by City News where this lady did not carry the flag. Please put the slide. These are old stuff, so put the slide up for me. Honorable, we have a first story here.
So, Obama called the flag of Ghana call it space. Carrying the flag of Ghana to space is literal. They let Kure and Mama when Christian Koch came to Ghana, she had a certain type of hospitality that she was in love with. What even brought up the issue in the first place? It is because when she came to Ghana, I was told she came to learn history and some languages. And then when she went back, she had a rare opportunity of joining that Miss too. And their mission was groundbreaking. But if somebody could come to Ghana, add and increase our Koch's own statement, she categorically, but aside Ghana, a continent, the first time she left her own continent was to come to Africa, and specifically to Ghana. And that helped her so much in doing a lot of things. And she didn't know that the country Ghana or the continent Africa was so nice like that. So in her life, she has actually lived in only 2 continents. And she was right on that one. But if we say the continent, we can't say Africa. So it is actually Ghana that showed her that type of humanity and hospitality. So,
yes. Okay, can we discuss him
I'm coming to that. So if this person is able to come to Ghana, enjoy our hospitality, and is able to talk about us this way, the person has gone to space. It is just fair that as he's raising the flag of Africa high, Ghana is also part of her history. And for that matter, whether she carried a literal flag or she carried the flag in Relia, we are talking about the same thing.
Yeah, but so the question is that how
the president in his post never said she carried the physical flag to space.
Yes.
I read what the president said.
Yes, the post the president was flag she in featured image or picture you could go attached to the poster flag she that poster man afi yo deal rocket amaro di to baba le jingo le ama I got the picture that I make it to the rocket me. That picture of where you better post and so I would have thought the question might be anywhere. Fear me, cyber security when you're blown, me Ministry of Communications, digital technology, but when you're blown. You cannot do verification. I feel say picture my name picture AI allow the picture. You understand?
If I want to tell you, I've given you my heart. How do I express?
You tell us.
So you see that obviously we draw a particular shape to represent the heart. That shape is not the heart. The heart is not like that. But that is the literal expression. There's one thing when you want people to have an impression about what you are saying. There's a way you can away amana pop. Oh, and me and the mostly it is in writings that people actually show what they are feeling. How do you express those feelings? It is through some of these things. So the issue is about Christiana Koch. The second side is she came to Ghana and as part of Ghana's breed has sent the image of Ghana very high. And this is the person we are talking about. It's just like Patrice Lumumba schooling somewhere. Okay, you see, Kwame Nkrumah went to school somewhere and came to Ghana. And when Kwame Nkrumah came and was leading in Ghana, obviously the way he schooled also take the pride. We trained him.
No, but I think the response is a bit evasive. Me be am ready. Nya jujina, echomi kata mi gbele fi ami go picture ma dare ya me. Ejujina mi kaka amade will comment. Do that mkhle. But you me no yin afuma no mi am ble fungi akwa adam ayemi on ko me tamak bonyaro nya fi ma le ma the space ma the jingo ni you.
So
my courage, your point statement, I had my word on this. I put my word behind it. But me, my courage to corporate I send picture. No, me verify because I'm more lonely. If you have cyber security, now I'm going to kick you. Mr. Bola, my plateau. Time expect, but minister so lonely. All them couldn't yam. Many the president has said, "Moi, kumikatamiya believe what you must be amare ko adam ma ko blame you nya le mo blame ya ta yo ba job comment ya ma wo le ma na nyi ya refuna
Sorry, my boy, you're just taking one side of the story.
but that's a topic.
No.
Mi wo e ya ona le mi wo job aye mi ka free mi da penny mi wo pa ma ba job ake
Based on the same picture.
Based on the picture.
That's what I'm saying, that the fact that Christiana Koch in one way or the other is a Ghanaian breed or has gotten the Ghanaian card and is able to get that or celebrate that feat. It is just prudent, but we celebrate her. But in order to let people understand, see, when the president wrote, he said by setting the flag of Ghana high, he mentioned something like that. He has set the flag of Ghana high, because we also have a hand in training here. But if you are just taking a picture as one thing out, yes, Amade, in order to express by setting the Ghana flag high, flag at there, that's technology for you. But you see, that particular picture, we cannot say came from Christiana Koch herself. Christiana Koch, a picture of the president, that would have been so something else. But the president is trying to express a particular way of feeling. I even heard.
Okay, hold on. You see, I need feedback, please. I need feedback from MCR. I need to speak to this. I need feedback. Now, the third slide on my joint, but first slide, her gesture of hoisting. Honorable Nyabu Blom, her gesture of hoisting the Ghanaian flag in outer space was a deeply touching moment for every Ghanaian. It is a testament to the fact that no matter how far one travels, even into the vastness of space, the friendships made and lessons learned stay on top. The message you can present,
her gesture of hoisting. To hoist means to hold high.
Okay, so
it is literal. Now, it is literal. A present statement is literal, and the thing is so simple. Let me go nane, me blonyane, ye over to where Amare Kuku, Aro, so here, Cho down, Cho blemia. That let's just admit it and let us.
So no. It's not about admitting or not admitting. What I'm trying to let you understand, however, you are not getting it from me. One side of the statement might be wrong.
No, you probably literal.
I said it was rather literal, not really. Ever hoisting, sending Ghana flag high was a literal expression, not really.
Was a literal.
It was a literal something to.
Literal meaning a way to flag. That's the meaning of literal.
Relia means he sent the flag high physically.
Physically.
Yes. But
literal
relational.
Literal. A woman literally.
Literally it has been so relationally a way.
In a woman, a global president, post flag
physically. Yes.
So let's not disturb our viewers. Meaning of literal and real. Whatever. My president, poster, flag physically.
So arise, Ghana youth, raise the Ghana flag high. Are they in that statement? Don't call Ghana flag a poetry. No, literally
speak to what I have here. Her gesture.
Let me land. But I heard what you said. Raise the flag of Ghana high. Literally is telling you that wherever you go, make Ghana proud. But if you're physically wherever you go, you hold the Ghana flag very high.
Okay.
But what I mean to say is that if one side of the statement seems to portray Nyai Blom and the crowd, now the second side is telling you that it is about the friendship and the relationship. The second side, don't take me here, is about the friendship that we have with her, our relationship with her.
No, that's your analysis. The statement is that her gesture of hoisting the Ghanaian flag in outer space was deeply touching. Her gesture, that's
so that side,
statement recognized, but Ojo flag akoya, not you odureji, yeah, president.
So that side might have portrayed that to you.
No, this thing is English. Her gesture of hoisting the Ghanaian flag in outer space was deeply touching.
The verse 2 of our Ghana national anthem says, raise high the flag of Ghana. Does that mean, in English, it's English, raise high the flag of Ghana. Does that mean that physically you should go and raise the flag of Ghana high? No, literally they are just relating it to you. Wherever you go, make Ghana proud. But well, in putting these words together, it must be disambiguated. This is it.
Yo,
Toro ha, woza vola tika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola nina nemi ayi vola eba senta afima mi apoto yoyola nyadeba vola efi valo akuluri le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ofuto makata mele to won yidewa eti makolo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele Akodoyola. Won't walk out. Walk Puto. Wofukame. Fukama Tutu Dokada. Bola Heba Center. Dr. Prosper Debeneba. Akodoyola. Come on.
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vi kle de fio mo hopo ye vo.
Ago. Oh, what is? Let go do it.
Oh, very ma. Bara kwela mlomo, keke tu poi. Tatanya tuma tradutoy. Ubonye womza kele.
Oh.
Nima fam. Nima tatama tumu. Kama nochiko. Obulo.
Dari nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukone gbogbo ya wa. Base hasbena di dile nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pati bani ko hi wontam nya nfura wa. Bola pati ko.
Yo, akba mi akon kola, mi da pana kola heba clean to go ho la mabran ko o da ronda mi bicho do mi. Yo, ta nyama no mi ako ta pere community le kara kwa mi azoro ko ala molisa. Mi akora da ona ko. Yema ameke o ago mi o mo. Aja ba mi ne pa mi ko G7 flaga do ko ira fuman tonton kaka. Na da ni pa ko flaga so suma flaga. All right, so we go newspaper quickly. The National Voice. Mijima ko mkawe nyenyaike bachi nyatujo bano papa banto jiba fimi akere ko mumajujo mamyo. Banto the National Voice balaye onye. Lest we forget, Mahama promised to abolish S-Pressure. Wow, really? Majiba mia alan kurenanem because nyaya edge chovai le banare mahuta I'm very sure. All right, so let's go to the custodian. Government makes local farmers poor with imports, minority decries. Government makes local farmers poor with imports, minority decries. Over 100 teachers left Gushegu over housing shortage, MP. NDC government in cover-up arrest to divert attention from LGBTQI pressure, oral and 24-hour economy failures. Make it blown. Hey, newspaper. All right, Jessica Diocese gets new bishop with youth with calls for unity. CSOs propose 1.65 fuel tax kata. Not good the custodian is quite a good paper. ONDC to if you are a MPP to Arabo say Kenya Kodoman some where say you could metal na number GBB Adelaide to come if you ble Mbayo MP to load boga George you Lagahoga Maya Uber 24 economy, Yao does applicable. You have a safe motor, Amakulomo Valley, the GBB Jim, the Comantanchi. But I think that's the big story over there. Usha Kuntom of a chicha, but we must make Mabama, Varaka, or wage Olefna, Choji, Vafia, Molly, Nkena, over the Pomelu. Jessica, Bishop Nolaga, the Church Catholic, you're right. Okay, so that's that. Those are the issues we are over here. And Honorable Chorekana Punchun.
Bishop Mante, make a hot chofia, a few bishop here, I would talk a given of just come to Ama, and Fiala play the online, and play me to go and very humble and principled man. And I worked to up at Kete. He worked, I'm sure his work is not less than 20 years in that particular year. And then he is one person that Ike will know just can diocese are there. A pop of Catholic have play over 1 hour best school, Kodinyawa, ɛdɛ asiwo ma le gbegbe ena be wowɔna dɔ and aƒetɔa enye dɔwɔla ɖeko te ɖe dzinye be tsitsi kple tsitsi va miasi be ame bubu aɖe nava teƒe ta bishop bubunatɔ mante fi ke ne le fia na xɔ dzidzɔ na gbɔ ɖe me gake etsɔ le atsɔɖoɖo tɔxa aɖe ma ekpɔ le yi ke wokɔ xɔ bishop yeyea efiahawo dɔwɔhawo assemblia honorable Machigbe yi ke nye woƒe
etsɔ alo edzɔ makosagbe
kɔsagbe o honorable Machigbe yi ke nye woƒe MC le yi ke wokɔ organize bishop xɔxɔa efia zi ɖeka be menye subɔsubɔ alo sɔlimeha nuko bishop ava be anɔ ke bo ada asi ke míayɔna administration of the whole Darskan district yi ke ava de oti regional dzia edze zi ɖeka be ame sia ame va se le me fiahawo and madzi be mía ame susua hã míasrɔ̃ nu tso Darskan tɔ ƒe sɔli yiwo ɖe ŋu elabe wowɔe wònyakpɔ ale gbegbe ɖeviwo ame tsitsiwo sɔlimehawo dɔwɔhati bubuawo woda asi me ke yeye yi ke va eyi ke aƒetɔ mante de mɔ fie koa wòazɔ dzi nenema Darskan diocese enye diocese ke si geɖe ma se hunyahunya ɖe tɔ elabe katoliko habɔbɔ na be ɖoɖo ɖe kple sa ɖe le wo dome ale gbegbe be nye va dɔwɔhati geɖe ema yi ke manɔ Darskan wo katã katoliko hamɔ le coincidentally aƒetɔ ɖe kotozu hã yi ke mele dɔ wɔm kple fia enye katoliko hamenɔla eya ta madi be míaxɔ nene gbenɔnɔ ade me gake eyi ke ne ƒo tso teacher ƒe dzodzo ade me kafe viawo
mi trɔ ge mama gbɔ míaɖe telegraphy míaɖe telegraphy elabe edzedze ke le paper book me ɖeka ko míata tsɔ eyi ta. All right, telegraphy at IMF World Bank spring meetings world applauds Ghana's economic turnaround. Ta over jirudu wo hikama jiru ko takpa World Bank kalau over gajero ko gan hikama jiru kata ba gajero ko gan ke IMF o kafu Ghana we fiama ba Ghana wo le world meets in Ghana to honor Asante Hene as pillar of peace. Ashanti fiaga la fia utum fose tutu owe hikama world meet world yamaga ta owe hikama maru bana takopare woga le Ghana odebu Ashanti Hene chi. These are the two stories they call it telegraphic chora Ghana.
Oh boy. Bato ikenye
IMF Global Bank.
Menje ma ponto Bobe le Ghana somewhere 2016, 2050 basis. On a mis avec Ghana economy a crash. Yata lo ko e-levy kwala ka economy a baima. Economy a va do te pa de ke efika. No me ka mia du comme vieux ko mamle o pa mamola adef. Kaka bien tax no what tax momo mi abe money transfer ha mi tax. Kaka wonu kube economy make amema ke le economy ame aketi du bu ava kwa enu watro and IMF ma le fish le over ni arrange so ma Ghana was given a particular grade medima kayo because anye bevese libo elabe Ghana ike to menu was the problem yasia were graded in the negative. It can be jumbo in the history of Ghana. Gake doko jiru be trashikwa. All of a sudden, you see an budget. Kakawa fufu apwasitolina Ghana. Mekbobe enye jirudu adepe adown. But for the deal. Kema nyema ayi de jiji poma kuchi abotana apeto bubunato His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. But Atu is indeed forcing. Miape Sami Jenfi. Ministers who katali go to trust me on the issue yare puna. Enya mi kanya po Capon, Eleba, Yamu Sosrona, Munola Bubu, then you bound now one Bobo and no Jiru Tepe, no more woman, and you must take the right decisions. Mava or 11 kick, at the Adere, 11 kick mevo, how do Dokumu Placana Mivodi, Avano, Afia Demo. Ever the better Matitio Beda, will go out there. I may you and who go back a contrary Gajaruba, what they over there, African upon one drawer. It was a leadership problem. First, I thought it was not. I thought it was indeed the Bretton Woods institutions when you come here Ghana. But it is clear. A judge the cabe and yet do whatever for the day. It was a leadership problem. Ghana never again shall we go into such leadership. He can never know what down waddle. He can never professor to come and view Betty. Ni reality never cut out demonstration come war. You what demonstration over me like whom you won't go demonstration but talk at leadership didn't listen. I think I better talk the money Mahama fa. What them oh and then we kept there Ghana to cut here a blood. Look, my boy, he never hear when I'm Ghana told me a political. And I bet any girl to Joanne, then you the day. But the actually clearly bear Jiru, Blabber, Manola, get the old people. Your Bramamiam political, your two to go for Dolapomo, your Bramamiam political. IMF has come to tell us the true picture. Like I see the kind of IMF, you praise, you. Tamiato, Bunato, John Dramani Mahama, na Bobo Kotibe, ma Abu Boy, Basi Mebe, Aloha Bubo, let me care where Kabon, Yaka where I eat, Bear Botapo, Naspores.
Yo, Honorable, me that number and Onami, yo, Wanaji, Mila, when Bati, when Dionaji, Kermia Chuchu, never allow them to chew up Anama. Bino Mila when Bati Vigila Facebook da ne Amarabia when Bati Alamara Maya when Bati Quay Joanachi or Linkari who Hamanakwe. All right, Mia Azorenko Miaka get paper boom upon Kawe Ganye and Yato Tutula Delegate state control weakens private sector for state control weakens private sector. For Bobrombe Jiru Bashi the state control weakens private sector. Nigeria should them American to be chalao when Yamalum demo to Ashi blow week we domular Basharashi Ashika prices, especially it's talking about that. All right, Cape 3 points declared rain protected area. Mipo, Vice President of Tatarafia Boblombe, Cape 3 points, you can Western Lopoina, Fumagata, Marik Mataga, Fumarano, Toku Demo, Via Jiru, where Blafo, Yokoyana, the Navy of Magata Ponga. All right, Tochi Blafo, okay. FIDA petitions CJ over RNAQ divorce judge. FIDA petitions CJ, that's Chief Justice over an RNAQ divorce judge. Baby Berry case, Pastor two others remanded. 6 cage over 14.3 at the Braka Gold Robbery. That delegate guy good. That delegate are doing good work, right? Okay, da Kufopum Jiru na Dashi na doctor the Kushishi chat.
Miape Hatome Beno no Yametama. Abronya Viaracho Ama Nanyabado Nevia Apoike Uche Letilati no planning to open Datahanoma Fi Uko Leviaco the Digele a call body. That came up here, take my boy. Now what did David I call a body handy? So for better. Me care with Jack Hotel Premium Avaja suffered one bear or home Saturday. Obe software global divima and yet Bob of V.
Yo, map wife your dear.
The level of D, the number gake o vi no magbona ma ro kra bo de via ku ya ta ina dike no kata onye apostle ya ba di de
apostle doctor
ayi ka fa ka ko doctor ka ko pere ko be apostle doctor ya ba di de via ka tell my boy na apostle doctor ba di de vi ma de medical examination ka o wa fi ko di vi ma bobo view ne
medical examination ata do gbeje bobo vi am
be apostle doctor ne the doctor ka o wa fi ko di vi ma bobo view
ne ka kana ma je bobo ba le medicine mata asejeni da edebo or inquisition national
prophetic examination
mabere na manye bobo
forensic exam ka wa fi ko di fi ma ni ko pe bia bobo view ne ta yo aba di ba
activity prophetic activity
so they should hide behind it because it cannot be proven
you make amaji temo la kama gulumbere because abinya ko no banya na ne bobo mangwa konji maga tenga woni
ye manya trombe manya koji oro azu forensic the doctor ka wona di via fi ko be bobo view ne the doctor ka wona di fi ko be ni bobo view ne ta le wa ku afi bobo wona dolema agbeima it is a life you are taking amara kemanya nke di via abazu cho ya wo prophet the car if you grab medical examination sometimes we do other exams to confirm the first examination. Forensically, people do examination to confirm first reports and data. Eka wa fi be di fi ma bobo fi o je tale bo wa di bagbe let di fe ha over di da call oji ya te be ma enya mi ke na be sofo wa ajo le jam out das le jam out review nkubu na de via bobo fi o nya kamo bobo nya na be na on curriculum ni ma le di ma bagbe aba Yesu Kristo no bobo ma me wu ni me pa di plan me be ko bobo ma da e wu ya no ko e bagbe no kabo e mon bobo be ya eye do bra bobo fa de gule di ya me ta anya esa ai kese nya ko be mo be aturu block wa o me ka de na ne kele mo wa turu blio atara di to e ba wa jena me potio be ni akpo me ko be no atetoy muka me me nya akpo me bobo di via bobo fi o jeta alaba wa ko wa hela ni ba alaba wa da no mo ka ta alaba wa to la be gana fi ame titi mana aka do pe ti be ni agbe anu kwa si o nye menya ma me beto ke menya be na la ta me beto ke ma ta kwa bele no fiasi ta emaya menya mi ton bo aka jo obo lo demo me enya me beto jara ko ni ma ka ba nye ina ba gere kwa enu ya ba in some few weeks enu abi le wo mi po de bia
ovito lo mo ko imaro aka o le ovito ko plote
ya ko be be yo ele koti ke ta lo ina ba nya ta eya nya ejemu ta wa tutu ademo ko no yigbo a ya ko be software no do prophet doctor no do prison how they akọ perform all the prison no ata belong to that
ebo o glory ne fa na kokro na fa na ba ko ne fa ne amukuba na fa na jona to enya be amaru ha o babam de prophetic that so dem be blon amara le fia blon bo ya fia la Christ twen ye ji ga blon Christ twen kaka na chumi alebe ne wo no achiglima yo ko gara shirika akoba ka juka no be awo aka na yoro kube ye juka to ala je to fia lo be blola amofo fon kanu amofo fon le tropo ma baba amofo fon le de kom wo wota fia ma shama ko tombe ye nye ma kwa me abo amma mi wo mu la ka do mi kele magbene ma fi chu bi bla ko rungo ne a enye ndovo ta go blola ho blola mia to me fi ha let's be discerning minum nyam nkenya ma nyomo ma fa fike mi pon samale tokete male fike mi mo fi ma fike mi kwele boala mo beto ejo accidental ejo le amro ko ji panya ma ko mo le ye nyama ba ko te ba ya mo beto chanyi o beta wo la ba ku du ma do bogo ale kama so la ba ha su to ejo ka ta ba te ma du aka nyomo mo fa na ko prophet do bo we na mo beto di ke ba ko alo do mha de tanyo ego mi fo fumu come on let's be discerning and mwado but do cram a Christo Munyo Gaga, a tum comma,
Christo met Diamo,
yes,
whoever news beside a polo, Christopher Polo,
Gaga and comma coge, the apostle, doctor, evangelist, professor, doctor, archbishop, plus Amuna no comfortable, not the range. After you know, do for that, Kafla, which your body, the Christopher Co, which you for the or Christopher Co. Me, over by the foot to channel them. I am a Christopher. No, Lemmer, oh, me, these are not Christians. All right. The overseer, 49-year-old Benin finance minister presidency, wins presidency. Wow. 49-year-old Benin finance minister wins presidency with 94% landslide. Hey, I go back to popular vote Benin as all electoral watch body at the ECOWAS where watch me at it. Alaba walk or damn the Benin to come. Benin afia togo miano vigero para miano. Never se vocalo a paga tortuna to tano to banya Benin a Georgina. I come in. Over finance minister, le Benin Gara Koda Hobe Blima, but to popular Ayuchi. Landslide 94%. I shake my congratulations. 49.
Taliban poverty. Ghana, Benin president who hold up and you. You see, if you have here Makatani, never go. I'm a Titiaudi or to chop. And you have a hot John up about the way of your banner down, but to one do Namiao. Fifia, they let bring each other to here a good to one. The resources of which the time belongs to them. Never better do electricity for 94%. My boy, many view, and Mugabe, we you are equal not to do 90-something percent. The cap of 50 years get it all, and look at it all. My watch, what I can finance minister, get about what on me. The more a man, you net a protocol. Kept make a disappoint me and you for. Make a disappointment. Like you call don't dash me. Probably what they did. Me at me coming to.
All right. So President-elect, congratulations, Lebeni. All right. Aziz Donla declares intent to contest NDC Upper West Regional Communication Officer position. Okay, that's another thing. I'll do Benchi Prayer as communication officer. Scandal hunting gone wrong. Samuel Awuku withdraws right to information request to Ghana Maritime Authority. And all right, so these are the stories we have in the overseer. All right, people, Daily Gist, the Daily Gist. Sami Awuku invokes right to information law to prove MV Sankofa drug saga. Sami Awuku no tata fia over Sami Awuku no tere jiru fasada ike bia bana mare bia mchuchu alo bia komre de chuchiru doba oronchini ejibe noga ejibe Sankofa drug saga over Sankofa chike where mfisi alo yichi. So that's it. Shraj probes Ato Forcing over ex-gratia payment. Over Giro Dopo Kona Mikata Blood for Nyao Chile Ghana, Mumple Ato Forcing, Alaba, Faro, Namara Maruko, Giro Doho, Chicho, Gafaro, or a young Badumi background, a young Baduna popular ex-gratia, or your scrap. So something like that is hanging in the news. Baba, okay, drama in court as Baba Amando cage over Facebook post. All right, drama in court. Baba Amando, Kenya, Sunyani is top communication officer NPP. Edanyang, Blenio, blood Facebook, another old Roshi Benagano, Bovito, Boblote, Koshia de Kata, Kahom, Le Bovito, Obo. All right, Nkobo, Ode. Sam George, Urobik, Mema, or Ode Lipo Antony, Utetu Coppola, or Shag. Feed up petitions, Chief Justice of Jets conduct in RNAQ divorce case. All right, so sack ECG engineers over Ashanti region, Tunso NDC chairman. NDC Toba Shimanola Ashanti Tome, Augustus Nana Kwesi, Andrews, Oblombe, Nunya. Carido Papa Maga, le Ashanti Dome, Alabe, and Aram Chico from Nayo. Oh, Chico Magana. Allow one in your former CID boss Tom Scott with defamation suit. All right, COP Faustina, Ejewa, Kodia, Ando, Kofi, Panon Tatalfia, Aloe, a Chunya Ray, Boba, or Ypon Copeland, which after that, we'll look at comments, so many comments. Yeah.
Okay, Mark Bolivar, Samia Uku, Yantova Quibo, Nike Beawa, Ma, Yanaka, I withdraw case, I withdraw into a request, and you, let me out of your point, you talk, I know me for this.
Yo, Yapa Nkola, Vengativio, Indiana, any achi, me a woman room and your honorable fully young from honorable. All right, so Mia Azorango, Bangu Gali, Mia Aqueda Cavanto. Don't put you where I'm up on Facebook. I'm a thank them at your room. I'm up on Facebook. I thank them at your room. Cavanto, Aloe, na a Facebook. A very bad TV, a very bad TV, TikTok, a very bad TV, YouTube. Mimianko send the satellite G, like a boy, Mimianko send the satellite G. That any other, I live in Yaponko, Yanon them at your ramen, our Miawe, Wacho. Vivi. All right, me get a Metro Lens man. Education Minister endorses inter-regional NHISPs for senior high school. Mabo Harina Kusupla Agonglaro Lefia over Akota Obibliareji. Education Minister endorses inter-regional NHISPs for senior high school students. Tafifia Atemi Wonare Gaji Domeza Suku senior high school so domele Mtokaka Mtomibia Ghana. So that is that. Government killing local farmers with imports are not done. Government killing local farmers with imports are not done. There are not done that if you have a global Jirua Okushi Chalao where Babajo Photom Alaba Ugamo Tonto Beta to come Dodo na number New York Nyonto mi or Angu Chome Mille Babao Jem Dopishi Chala la Katakata Umanaka Confisia no Mania Blias Macaroto Munaka Umbagonto NHIS PURC for UHC market Deba registered 10,372 in Volta region. NH Bien, story. I can't what I can be open, but if you may review, because near men can't go I don't know for them. Samia Uku files right to information request seeking answers to MV Sankofa controversy. Now it's very simple. You don't invite us from Volta region, we don't review your views. So, me that's Metro lesson, me sorry, the Ghanaian publisher. Import interests behind maize lies, minority. Import interest behind maize lies, minority. Me no dombre no matata refia go blombe. Ndo to beta to call Marco Ghana. Ye na jiru mefifi na mi. Toto e bleed to beta to call. All right, and RNAQ case feeder petitions Chief Justice. Agalafia gold trade powers Ghana's Asia export boom. Alafia Bamia did not lie or flip-flop. Dr. Provencal rise. Bamiama Dalakbao, Metro Mitumu, Dr. Provencal, Eblonia, Lebana, no Takaji, Kureka.
We need Dr. Provencal to come and tell us this. We need Provencal to come and tell us about Bamia does not lie. What test has he done? Does he know Bamia more than us? Dr. Provencal, does he know Bamia more than us? Bamia is one of us. He has been our vice president. Has he been his vice president as well? We are not also judging Bamia based on maybe his private life or whatever. We are judging based on his office, his tenure of office. What are some of this propaganda for? It provokes me. Do we need a prophet call to come and tell us whether Bawumia lies or not? Bawumia gave us so many assurances. Did he say you build a harbor for the people of Cape Coast? Has it been built? Is it a lie or not? Did he say you build an airport for Cape Coast? Has it been built? Is it a lie or not a lie? Have I lied or not? What is Prophet God saying? Did he put all these things into account before telling us that Bawumia does not lie or flip-flops? What is he saying? No, this morning I don't want to come for Dr. Bawumia. But you see, when some of these foreigners begin to wade into our local politics, I mean, it is really madness. Okay, you see, the import of maize causing those things, I think it has come over and over again. I want to say here that if import is really the issue, then NPP does not have the moral fiber to talk about what is happening now. At their time, if they were importing and there was enough food like this, would have even complained. But they had planting for food and job 1, planting for food and job 2, where our monies they bewitched Jida and Sada, and they brought planting for food 1 and 2. Our fertilizers were crossing borders, and they are here to tell us that we are importing. Tony, my boy, I want us to go to data that the import of rice, in fact, let me say food commodities, during the NPP's tenure of office from 2018 to 2024, is it somewhat comparable to what is happening here? I mean, they shouldn't come with this. They were giving some of this import to people on contract. Have you forgotten the rotten rice to secondary schools? What was it? Was it a local rice? Was it supplied by our local farmers? I mean, they should not even start some of these things. They were imported, rebagged in Ghana here. Why is MPP all of a sudden in opposition so soon? And they are already seeing everything negative with whatever Mahama is doing. They should give us a break.
The news center, our MTN open to partnerships to build data centers in Ghana. Mupita, risky health trade-off. Government abandons agenda 111 for 350 health posts. Elefia Mibwa Minta Kanto Minister of Health to Korolafia, risky trade-off. Oba Blomba, Jidudu Yarashi, Konji, Alfaraka, Bideke, Jirugo, Yikabata, Nana Dutaka Ufono, or Konji Yokatumolochi, or Ashiochi Fifiari, over Konji Willioma, Alofaton, Blaton, Tun. All right, MTN open to partnership. Okay, that's better. Let's leave that one. Gold trade fuels Ghana's export set to Asia, Middle East. Okay, Manyama Kokomi. Coalition of think tanks propose 1.65 fuel tax cuts. Ta go blombe, nunyala fufu go blombe. No de ajoga yoko that damde moment miochi na mi pay, bididi mona mi pay. Coalition of think tanks propose 1.65 Ghana cedi fuel tax. Me de cedi de ka best wa bla de boton do so le biaji aloga. Bidemo chinami, bidemo fifia betro bashikaji, mini akafunku, if you are muga atrovazi, siso, bidemunami. Strike against Republican AI not called off forum. Gokusi dola yoke, banare chirunchi, afi, o donamo, to petato come to menli oji, governor epemele palo pame, takoina, ubiji. Blombe a jogaro home yo le kanya funji jogayo oko blogaba agbare chobe le too much Nigeria ha over chucho UK mistake ola mama betonga ndem mamu no nya ko country of origin quantity bletoko to go people ona ole ko bana he enwo bosuma pa ga bosuma pa ta mira koko jirodu na peremianchi anti-LGBTQI plus bill stalemate. Our position remains the same, Crystal Council. Christo to wa gongla Christo to ka habobo nolo kata bo brune to kokola ba Europe. Ngobe mai ikechi nre to koma na uvado bototo manu semfenya njia yuna na to kokola na yampe eyo yo blone eyo no opposition e kana na mochichi ngbe odo na yo sebla ikama yo no ike beno fa kwa na se awoga yo metro ta to kokola manga kusome na nyama imajigo na konjo
e ga ka me dema kwecho think tanks or policy think tanks or all of a sudden they have gained their voices. Tell my boy, is he
yeah, obodo di tax o jina mi.
My tax any one city my mama baby adida. A joga you how ta a guy you are one city you
165
ta 65 ne Mahama there one city a 65 pesos and
over fia ngo amipa shijime ta fia gababa me amipa shijime alo
and only one way nka tomato plan na Akufo-Addo former president Benny let knowledge they have found their voices all of a sudden and it worries me and we get your $1 did we see the think tank coming to praise government? Abajo, America, Iran, Duma. They've all of a sudden found their voices, and they are now telling government. Well, I know the president that we have now, John Dramani Mahama. He's a listening president. Even he has already called a grand cabinet meeting to this effect. He called a cabinet meeting to this effect. So that is what has given them the nerves to propose some of these things. Yeah, problem Benny. Whenever you where were they? No. You see,
you don't compare apples to oranges. Who is the
orange? Who is the apple? Is it not governance?
We are talking
about the think tanks. Are they part of the people he called that one? Were they not there? Is it sometimes no, I'm not comparing. I'm talking about precedent.
That was a bad precedent.
No, how do you know?
But we have good and bad
how do you know? Is a bad precedent. I'm telling you, Benny, there was a government that came to power.
Journalists, the previous government did not perform well.
These people in power, you see, the message are component of the taxes that should be reduced, isn't it? Yeah, but if indeed those components were too high then why was it even implemented in the first place? That should tell you that
the global minister of finance Maima ever global and Gakramel Yohana Jidu Dora on a Yomako 11
Thank you. What has changed? So where you see the think tanks, you see our problem, one of our problems in Ghana is our think tanks too. They watch people do things with impunity, and when all of a sudden they regain their voice, they blame others.
Is it a good call? I don't want us to belabor these issues.
Allow the government to do its work. Whether it's a good call, I can tell it is my father's duty to pay my school fees. Is it a good call? It's a good call. My father must pay my fees. But does he have it? Does that mean my father is not able to pay my fees? If you have I told you, the top people on Yanama.
Christian Council. Over
yeah, it is solid. That's it. Hey, Mahama for Vomna, a sale. I'm still having the same stand as we used to have when we were in opposition. It is a good call. Nkudo chinu ko onya le boblo na ka bambe oyi bobo mo wasavo mo wala hala yo ya yo metro so nene mai it should be like that.
I know, sir.
Ah no sir. And but President Muhammad boblo be the such a project be ya side be.
Comments. Ever ya bon you goldie. Ever time for Tony, good morning. Yeah, all right. I appreciate that. Time for spiritual awakening. The Holy Bible is black history, and the original Hebrews were captured as slaves for disobeying the Most High God Almighty, our Creator. Do not copy the customs of the heathen, as God demands total loyalty from His chosen people. Period. It is written in the Old Testament. Listen to the amazing sermons or trust the. Okay, so I'm not sure what you want. All right, so thank you for comment. I want to see your conclusion so much. This is a whole essay. So they should keep it to themselves and their so-called foreign aid. God takes care of His people. So much hypocrisy. Okay, so you said a Christian practice hypocrisy. I'm not sure about that. All right, Nunanabe, useless call from Christian Council. What did they say when Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo refused to sign the bill that was on his table? What are you saying? But Nanagba Ogomude, Christian Council, Catholic bishops spoke, Methodist bishops spoke. Were you not in Ghana? I will not allow you to insult men of God for free on my show. Were you not in Ghana?
He's not insulting them. He's saying that.
How can I say useless call?
The call is not useful now.
Please, please. I don't want those comments on my show. All right. Kofi Kuchebe has LGBTQ people stop you from amassing church collections. Give us a list of gay people in the country and tell us the harm they are causing. You join MPP to dupe Ghanaians for a cathedral hole. How a useless paper document is your priority. Thank you for coming. So you see the bill as useless paper, right? Voilà. I'm a bill my money. I'm a but that's a whole thing for sociology. Honorable sociology. Time there, oh, Beijing conference.
I majored in sociology.
Oh, okay, good.
I didn't combine major in UCC.
Good. I go back 1998 over Beijing conference over no more what the man can do, But that's wrong. Never to be at no man passes or over rape. We were hearing about rape. Now we don't hear much about it. And sociologically, what has happened? If you are worker, no move the crowd, if you are no pregnant, if you are cheap back with the machine. You see how the world has responded to the Beijing conference and all that. But it's a whole complex issue in sociology. All right, we appreciate your comments. Okay, good morning to you, Tony, and your guest for Lee. I agree with you. Do not compare apples to oranges. We voted you to do the corrections. Okay, thank you for your comment. All right, the publisher, Hands Up Businesses. I need this one. Hands Up Businesses. Kufuor insists state must not compete with private sector. That's a good call. 30,000 classrooms without teachers. Alafia. Government denies presence of foreign military troops. Okuje to black people no that alafia. Okuje to boblonga nyare gadi beta bada baro le Ghana. Melemu okuje to ma. All right. Over 30,000 classrooms without teachers. Suku call the Karaka woman Akpeblaton, Suku for class 1, class 2, class 3. Ghana Kata 30,000 classrooms without teachers. We have problems.
It's possible.
Meta to Coplabe, the one Plachi Chaplet, or you work to Hemania, but don't know some more that. Attempt to bury 5 months. Baby girl alive lands apostle in cells. All right. Apostle Michael, yeah, did you back government killing local farmers with imports. Don't prep blast NDC. Kufuor is a man that I respect a lot. Top notch. For government insists state must not compete. So this is how it goes. This is economics. The government, Chidudu, Nababeya Duga, Evo Gameli to come Ghana sent job if you are treasury bills, 3 months treasury bills, 91 days, half-year treasury bills, Oka correct IGV, plus to come if you not to work with Magari. I go low, she got that account woman, I look at account woman, or on the bank over no flip, treasury bill, now your treasury bill, the governor of your treasury bill, then 100 million by this time for 27 million. Girl, when we buy treasury bill. KO na mako mesha mpega tujungle kwa accounts me yire jirugo ke guy kana no mi oto no to come fio mabona ni no go denye nya banto fo we velia jijuna be anu se won be ni abashi ko ehosiakpa data cost ehosiakpa sam judgment ajo boje moment nga multi choice please take ehosiakpa. You don't do governance that way. Former Minister of Trade Ejiba Uma will be a problem. Semiti Pashinochi, go ahead, Chata Semita at that time. Ya will say there should be price ceiling. Jirumo, Yogishi, Shichala, no, we can a bobber, Yaja com, Afia Puvidia with an Nama, Namu on a Tunchi, Naikon, Jara Bubo, economy, Antona Uruki, Jirumagadashi. Who for? Yabo. All right.
Because the government must give the enabling environment first of all for the private sector. The taxes and their tax cuts and so on. It is also from government. The private sector cannot. And see, price control is a critical part of governance. Then I have a little problem. But I'm out of Komacho Petavadi, Ebasidi, Ghana Human Top of Yogata, what do demonstration, especially food items. Tanity Robert Howe, taxi now in the Elon Waja, but Tana Tabana Pui, Apuasiabawaje, one of Yare to come Viana Popotia. I don't think that's a problem. And the data cost and so on, some job, was it true or not? It was true. But me the Ghana Lafia, the DSTV, to Equashu and Nigeria Lafia. Ta Ghana Figueroa or Nigeria to Vacopa Ghana Baracopo. It is a year bed do not control my super Mia Ghana view, Mia Bobotry.
And Ghana to Shikoma, Ya Ebo Aviana Dovia. It's not top Aviana do. Bobiana Dofiana, you could top and down here around. The mistake were 500 cities. Material, 500 in here, 5 million. Gaka, you force life here. Attack 50 cities. Method go. So,
no. This will mean that the same dress, the same quality, the same everything. No, dear will marketer. Till matter about the raise price and a supply.
No, Kaka before Bromedy. Economy, eroki balance, there will be equilibrium. Madame of Yashigo.
I beg to differ. The balance is somebody must suffer, somebody must lose a little, somebody must gain. The balancing equilibrium doesn't come by fun. It comes when one side is losing and one side is gaining. Aya brother yata benda butika nyamrotonye. Atora baji nyamrotonye. Yata wolebe ame you can take them along why they benda butika. Mon papa na no ina. Rather than be and look at also to come ta how Ghana vasito over to go vas in Cape Town. I look at them very clever. My better come and complain not you are. I get to go to a free port, and who does that? It's government. The government cannot hands off everything entirely. I beg to differ. Government cannot hands off everything entirely. There are certain things that must be controlled. It can never dollar play to here. What were Ghanaians shouting at? Children make them not do this. I don't talk about the Ghana Messia. SCA.
Ta kufo nyane leke kufo go blombe di
No, hello, Bolivero da Ghana, the Jidu Neda Sel Mokatamwa. It's wrong.
But do not crowd out the private sector.
Of course.
Don't crowd out. Mikabado Gakata under the guise of holiday.
Tell my boy, even data wise, emphatically that is factually inaccurate. Because Ghana lending rate here is very low. I think it's 14-15%.
No, many lending rate. Mopping up liquidity. I was ever at force last week. I go
but the lending rate is lower. People go for loans to do businesses. But the mopping up must happen because when there's too much money in the system, too, inflation come.
Yes, kakeni chobram for the fiare no mop up liquidity. If you have a guy who can lemiashi.
You got to get home and get one amelon.
Ye chilu to come on and never seen it. Na a gamma to lend rate gabona chicken. This how the whole thing is. Economy at them on a galasini. A galasini time gato, Kafrani to Amanafia. You're gonna go. Alabe, Fiomela, Motin. Katena Jilu, Gato, you yam sebe treasure bill. We are locking your car, Jimoma, then you got to meet your mouth. Negavahana, oh, Negarafia, Jimoke, do Ghana. Tanemi am a bubu gavaga, dom le gadolo, boka, lending rates at a gaji. Me can and lending rates are Ghana, me toga, Gireji, alo interest, mud boss, when you I'm a girl teaching me at Toga. Jidu, I'm a fat to come a family. I can Jidu Trova home, which is Moshiko. Lending rate.
Tamabia telling my boy, the guy Kaka, we go and address him.
Disposable guy,
disposable income, you are right on that. Tamanya guy can accord to me. He had a one lock, the man. And you see in the treasure bill to
disposable guy go to now.
How.
Okay, go
to come back, Gaba, about that treasure bill.
Lake, come here, do 10,000. I should be money in our treasure bill. Washing out on my back. A copy Yanaka. But getting a treasure bill might discount just like that. You understand?
You see, he had that 10,000 man machine of woman. He get the man, he get the don't know, never come a catava that a bank, a cocata that a bank. Tell my boy,
I can't go make a elbow, a treasure bill.
You phone, no, you are maybe so
before it's a golden age of businessman. I am a double who I meet with them before you have
my boy, they want to man catch a complete. Because if you have Kufuor, Solomon. Kufuor is in Solomon business. Was he not a president in this country?
He was a good president.
But who was a good president? Tell my boy, but what I'm saying is that as of now, you see, Amara or Gavayi, my brother, I'm comparing Apple to oranges. It will Padanamo, tell me, he can't obey a whole beggar. Now, treasury bill but just that the profit you have to get on it, you won't get it. And you lose some things.
Mary, I fear for these dishonest political judges, hot-headed MPP youth like will take them on when power changes hands. Or by more remand for you.
Rebecca, the power will not even change hands, so relax.
When you respond one-on-one comments. All right, okay. AC do message. You MPP vultures will never see political power in your lifetime. Get that clear. Which normal human being in his right senses would think of calling you dirty criminal rascals to I disagree with your style. But you don't need it. About create problem. All right. I'm seeing insults. I will overlook your messages. So you Akpeko, are you really serious, or you are receiving 1,000 cedis monthly because of that you speak only what they want to hear? By the way, in which detention was Kwesi remanded? Let's build Ghana and stop this unnecessary blames. Okay, Kwesi, the NDC to Chachi Kwesi. was NPP, right?
No. Names name does not really tell. Question here, Blomola, me question.
Name Jachi. No, but Jachi don't let that question out there. I want to know, but I want to understand your message. Okay. Edu. Parisu Antoine. All right. Good morning to you. Okay. Good morning to you. Hey, this guy again. Anyway. All right. Why is it? Okay. Honorable. All right. So comments on our banana gym. I want you to speak to that. Any segment with me and me settle in me. But I hear by marana by internet. I chose to couple up on Matata at the Polipone. I was young. And you're man number 2. Namanyo de Kojamia Lama. Number 3. Kade English Banto, in to Copra who water, in an adu dampo for in Baumia, Oyo Baumia Baulaya, Oyo Afuaduba, like Katumio, Mikbol and Mukarat, Mahama Pele, Afuadu Karatam, ye, Oban Mahama Puafuadu. New Mokatade, Nkai AI, Pele Katuni, Same Milefia in new media. What do we do about it? But I'm going to less because me am you can give me other messages in short time.
But I'm not blaming a short because we are here. I'm not blaming a very short. Our graphics, our cartoon, I remember blowing. But what you want to portray, the message you want to give, is what is wrong. How do you know where a Kafra, Mahama, Mirakamiamanchu, Kewo, so you know, Dolly Polipone. And then, well, with the case is still pending, Madema Punchu. Nyayo portrayer, you will never them. Now, you are asking whether it is good to arrest or not. If we don't arrest you, how do we get to get your side of the story? Arrest does not necessarily mean detention. But if we don't count for you, how do you explain your side of the story? For all you know, there's a message you are giving us.
No, but in his case, he has been detained.
Yes, that was a judge's decision. I'm not here to talk about a judge's decision. The cases are court. But what I'm saying is that what proof were you having before you came up with such a cartoon? Tilapia Hawani. But some of the things you do, you must explain. And it is likely you walk free if you explain it well. But the youth taking to social media and insult is becoming unbecoming. You can still communicate your message. My youth, I'm begging, you can still communicate your message without insult. This morning, we had a lot of conversation. I disagree with some of the things without insult. But that doesn't mean that I have not communicated. Let's find a decent way of communicating our grievances. I know most of us are grieved because of some of these happening.
Aggrieved at what?
Governance, you see, you don't have the opportunity to govern. Somebody is giving the power to govern you and the person messes you up. You should be aggrieved.
So in Egbabe female, who are they aggrieved at?
They are aggrieved with leadership.
And who is leadership?
Talking about notices. We have given authority to some people to rule us.
Who is the people ruling? Who are the people ruling us? Metamiakron.
Yabe Sofo. Miabe Tunyahelau. Miabe Jilau. There are people who are ruling us. But we have issues against them. If we go to social media, must we insult?
Okay, we're messing up. That about Mamma, you go, no, that I apology, they are aggrieved against the president.
It was all about the LGBTQ thing. I mean, aside that, he said a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
So if you agree at the LGBTQ law, whatever, whether Mahama, whatever, communicate it differently without insult, without these pictures. I'm not sure my brother would have been in police custody by now if he had done that genuinely without insult. So let us learn to do some of these things in a decent and decorous manner.
rather than we taking the law into our own hands.
Okay, Honorable Mbona, me, we are not, the only way a matter in court becomes a comment to make on an issue in court becomes an issue is if you're trying to prejudice it. That's it. We are not interested in whether the judgment will go like this or not. Anybody, we are nation builders. You are a policy player. You are into governance. I'm into media. We shape how people think. You understand? So me, I'm an Nigerian where a major John Ghana the queue. And I was saying Ghana the queue. You don't want to go to Nigeria. You don't want to go to South Africa. You understand? Ghana to academy and le Ghana machuchum. So mechi answer le very broad beyond what's happening in that specific court. And we don't the judge the discussion.
You didn't get me right. Is it everybody that goes to, that was invited for questioning over some of these things that get arrested
or jailed?
Is it everybody?
No, not really.
Some of them are violent. Some of them have other messages behind it. And this is what brings about the lawsuit. That's what brings about the litigation in court. But if you do it in a clear mind,
come back up your question again. I like you have a posture. This is a political show. You have a posture. I don't need to want you to have a chum. Maybe because so plenty of you me, wife ever another number for the club me, and you go home watch the Dojajama Bem Amarogo Brombe, Jiduya, what is some heavy or high?
Let's not go there. We'll destroy
it's a question I'm asking you.
No, we'll destroy the show if you want to go there. But what you know in this country, you tell me I'm comparing our
birthday, let me go, big Brunia. So let's put away the
whether it happened in the previous government. No.
It's a question. Is the government being heavy?
Was it the same thing that was done then? Or some have different gravities?
My question is the government being heavy-handed? It's a question.
If the government is heavy-handed, if the government is indeed heavy-handed, as you want to post it.
It's a question, not I want to post it. It's a question.
And I'm saying that no, the government cannot be heavy-handed because some of these things come with threats. For example, what was said against the president's wife. I mean, these are threats, and it must be investigated. Okay, we don't want to be heavy-handed. And something happens to the president's wife.
Question, you don't need to be aggravated. Question, we are a journalist. You see, listening. These things we have seen them and heard them before. I'm a journalist, and we are watching the temperature. On media, especially new media. So then my trend at that point, it may be your question now. My fiaba may dead trend at you. If you ever make them is the government being heavy-handed? You answer so.
No, the government is not heavy-handed. They are tackling the issue. Why was the government the one who has all these people? You see, one thing about the APP government is that the moment they agree, they go to shopping, they do a lot of things. Abroad is also facing another one. A couple of them, and that is their style. And when it happened during Akufado's time, those people are also not forgiving. That is why I am saying that it is high time the youth desist from these things, because it will not always end the way you think. Don't forget there's freedom, but it cannot be guaranteed. When the speech has already left your lips, it cannot be guaranteed. Talking about as I'm here today, I also have the right to say some things.
Okay, in law, legal axiom. You have freedom of speech when you speak, but we can't guarantee freedom of speech after you have spoken. Because never blow your hand and never go fully man. What am I low?
Tadessa Salama, then for Lamafia, come flat for one. I'm not very clear where I defend.
Yes, so those are actions of defamation.
Yes,
those are in communication. And then, Fuma, a brother Libana, and Kaka. Perujima, you were abroad, a leader who are I don't know by Dumramar. All right, comments are over 231, and I will leave it to you. Ban these mushroom one-man churches, just like how Rwanda did hers. Good morning to Tony. Tina, I don't know why Ghana has not banned these criminals calling themselves pastors. Just ban them, as simple as that. Nana, it will message me. Oh, wow. Okay, let's go. Let's get some two more. Stephen Kai, London. But I hope this evil men are severely punished to set as an example to all such spiritualists who call themselves archbishops, prophets, apostles, and pastors, and have established one-man churches in the country. It's about time we called them and stopped them from their criminal and demonic activities. All right, thank you for coming. King, but I hate pastors. Oh, I hate pastors, they are criminals. Oh, really? King, good job. I have a house of All right, I think we have so many similar comments. I appreciate your comments. Good morning to you. Okay, let me just mention names. Good morning to you, Agbenyo Mianko Semcho Bentuga. Good morning to you. Good morning to you, Mianko Semcho Aplau. Good morning to you, Patience Baby Mianko Semcho Adapula. I've seen your messages. Thank you so much. Good morning to you, MFA Mianko Semcho David. Good morning, MFA, for a message. Good morning to you as well, Dinah Mianko Semcho Lashibi. Good morning. So I've seen your messages. Most are just I like your food, I like all those ones. I don't want to be rigid. Like my food. All right. You are for data.
I want to let Ghanaians understand that governance is a process and it's a continuum. Aleko bleedi now and then about we have your trust and you have new antibody no Ghana if you get this. I don't know what they could produce contractor, the governor.
Oh, those one called the net meat mafia kona girl of your mafia.
I play the open and we are in your bed tractor for the mirror on the Afi and the season and Jacoma. And then Yamina or the Capua. You have a contractor, Yamon, and Nakabo, Yam Asiana Dibia.
Now, Jojo, before that, I am over those who promise fulfill. Tractor, when we back to tractor, a little to come and to
yeah, on
Ye to Mother.
I'm
free. Go to I don't come off.
I don't bow. Come from my matter, come from. I don't Babenia via over tractor into our water. I want to walk and do a plum and cover of a tractor, ye join ever.
I think a tractor, yeah.
Or I come and move here, tractor, and Yafico park.
Oh, a woman.
Africa, I'm a public here. Tell my boy, my time, I'm a public.
If you ever do my here, office, doing the upper dolly, then you have to do or a
you do. No,
okay, tractor man, do sack of my yaloga, fear.
Oh, a guy can have a better than I am or who's here to press walk on Jammy. Go have an apple.
Hi, Mabna the Kingdom. Tratoba, never one of that when we got up like meet them, your badger, like Batuano Dohe, and your honorable Bruno Foley, ye, Joe, and Yama Primi Banyan Tom when you turn my boy, but Jonah, or one of us opinion. I'm away at Joe Gan, Dereka woman, young Bona, and Kumu Katapane, Fola Heva, Clinic, Ulama Banami, Gungu, Madapane, Dohacho Kata. Christian Mauko, Dambeg, Yamokata, Prince, check out, Gongo, when you're not that over Yabo Kingdom, Akademicata, Kama, Nyonami. Bye bye.